I have made this cake for 2 competitions and he won both of them. So trust me when I tell you that this is the best and easiest cake you'll ever make. It's called Tres Leches. It is by far my favorite cake and it is super moist. To start, you're gonna use this mixture here. It has to be this one. Just follow the instructions on the back of the box. So we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 and then we're gonna make the cake mixture from scratch of a box because I'm no baker. So don't complain. This is supposed to be easy. I put everything the box says, which is the mixture that came in the box, and then it calls for 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And then I don't have that mixy thing. See, not a baker, but I just did it by hand and got a little workout out of it. Then in the oven it goes for like 30 minutes. And while that's happening, we're gonna make the mixture that really makes this cake a piece of heaven. And for this part, you're gonna use a blender and you're gonna mix 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Then you're gonna use this same condensed milk can and fill it up with whole milk. Finish it up with a dash of vanilla and blend. Once the cake is done, you're gonna poke all over it. The more, the better. This way, it will soak up all the mixture that we just made. This part is optional, but I like to cut out cream cheese and place it all over. And then to finish it up, I come over all of this with the Cool Whip. You gotta be a little careful because the cream cheese is gonna try to move. So go really slow at this point. Once you have it all covered, you can decorate it with whatever you want. Cherries, strawberries, you name it. And then you put it in the fridge. I leave it overnight, but I think a couple hours should be enough. So on my Instagram, I mentioned that I was making this cake for Javi's competition at work and people wanted the recipe, so I made the video. But obviously I wasn't about to cut into the cake that was going to the competition, so I made a mini version for us. I know this video was quick, but I had to share this recipe with you. Let me know if you try it and how you like it. It is my favorite cake by far. So I hope you enjoyed it.